From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 54th question of NECO 2025 is on statistics, specifically on variance. It says, calculate the variance of the following data: 2, 3, 5, 6. Recall that variance is summation of f of x minus x bar over summation of frequency, but we don't have frequency here because none of them are recurring. And so we need to find the mean first. The mean is simply summation of x over n, which is 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 over how many they are, which is 4. And this is 2 plus 3 is 5, 10, 16 over 4. 16 over 4, and this is 4. And so the variance is summing the deviation from the mean and then dividing by how many they are. So this will be, the first is 2 minus the deviation plus all square plus 3 minus the mean all square plus 5 minus the mean all square plus 6 minus the mean all square over how many they are, which is 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, this square, minus 1 square, 1 square, 2 square, everything over 4. And so minus 2 square is 4, minus 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 over 4. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2 is 10 over 4. And 2 here is 5 over 2, and this is 2.5. That's B. Thank you for watching.